Greetings. We've run factor analysis. We can see factor 1 and factor 2, which are factors we extracted. You can think of a factor as a complex rhetorical strategy. You see some numbers are positive, some numbers are negative. That means if they are positive, if two numbers are positive, it means they're positively correlated. So you can see that positive, this is positive emotion, this variable is positive emotion, that's got a positive sign, 0.0701, and forceful, which means powerful language that will get your attention, be highly arousing to a reader, that's another positive number. Syntactic complexity is another positive number. All the positive numbers here, and these are called coefficients, all the positive coefficients here, that means they're correlated with each other. You see up here narrative is negative. That means it's inversely correlated with the positive. So when you see a lot of narrative in reporting, you fail to see positive, forceful syntactic complexity. Description, though, is positively correlated with narrative because they both have negative signs, as is uncertainty. So what I recommend you're doing is to perhaps open up a text sheet and just keep score. So you want to say the plus variables here would be positive and forceful and syntactic complexity, which simply means it has a lot of clauses. The sentences have a lot of clauses. Public, which means that it talks about institutions and authorities. Public and academic. And that's it. And then the minus variables, these are narrative and description and uncertainty. And that's it, okay? Narrative, description, and uncertainty. So we have 5 variables at the top of this factor. We can think of positive as the top of the factor, and these variables at the bottom of the factor. So some reporting, we're capturing reporting in American news that tells stories because it's narrative, it's highly descriptive, and it also brings some uncertainty. And we have at the top of the factor stories that are taught forcefully with syntactic complexity, public and academic. Okay, so at least we've begun to think of these as 2 styles of reporting that are inversely correlated. We're going to stop here.